Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 9 CBSE Maths Polynomials introduction video. The thing is, polynomials means it can be written as poly plus nomials. Poly means many, nomials means terms. So many terms join together to form polynomials. For example, we can write this to be 4x. This is only a single term. Here it is 3x plus 2y. So two terms. In multiply, they are considered to be a single term. So this is a single term and this is a single term. So here now it is to be two term. 3x plus 2y is two terms. Here 2x square plus 7x plus 5. Here there are three terms. So many terms join together to form polynomials. It can be a single term or it can be a many terms. Now, coefficient. What is a coefficient? Coefficient is nothing but a number which is multiplied by a variable. For example, the coefficient of x in this sum is the number that is in multiply with x is 3. We need to write with the sign. So, coefficient of x here over here is 3. For y, the coefficient of y is 2. So, the number which is multiplied with the variable is called the coefficient of that variable. Here, the coefficient of x square is 2. If this is the equation minus 2x square plus 7x plus 5, then the coefficient of x square is minus 2. With the sign, you need to write the number that is multiplied to the variable asked. If the coefficient of here the coefficient of x square is minus 2. So you need to write with the sign, which is very important. Degree. Degree means the highest power. The highest power in this equation is 2. The highest power here is 2. So here the power of x is 1. Here the power of x is 2. So in this equation the highest power is 2. So the degree will be 2. The degree will be considered only for the variable, not for the constant term. If I write 5 power 5, then the degree will be 2 only, not 5, because for the constant term or for a constant value, the degree will not be considered. It will be there only for the variables, not for any numbers. So the highest power is the power of the equation. The highest power of the equation will be the degree. The polynomial can be of many types. One is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Monomial is nothing but single term. If we have single term, then it is a monomial. If we have two terms, it will be a binomial. 3 terms binomial. Polynomials are nothing but more than 2 terms are polynomial. The more than 2 terms are polynomials. Polynomials have one variable. It can be divided as 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable and so on. It goes on. 4 variable, 5 variable, it goes on. It can be of many variables. What is variable? Variable is nothing but the alphabets. See here it is of 2 variables. Variable x and y is used. In this case, it is a monomial, 1 variable. See, only x is used. So variables are nothing but the alphabets used in an equation. It can be of many types. Now we can see whether this an equation to be a polynomial or not. Here, for a polynomial, the variable should not be in a root form. It should not be in any root form, not only the square root, also the cube root or any 4th root, 5th root, or it cannot be in any root form. So variable should not be in root. Only the variable, not the numbers. Root 2 can be in a term but not root x. The second point, variable power should not be in fraction. For example, if there is x power 1 by 2 in an equation, then it does not form a polynomial. A polynomial should not have a power fraction of a variable. The number can have a fraction. For example, in the equation we can have root 2 or 2 power 1 by 2, but not a variable. A variable should not have a power. in fraction. In the third point, it's given that variable should not be in denominator. For example, x square plus 1 by x. Here the variable is in the denominator. It should not be in the denominator. Next point, the variable power should not be in negative in the numerator. For example, if we have a x square plus x of minus 1, then it is the same condition of this. If there is a power of negative power, then this can be written as 1 by x. So this two, there is no difference between these two terms. These two are same. So variable power should not be in negative in the numerator. Be careful with the thing. It should not be in a negative in the numerator, but it can be like this, 1 by x power minus y. Tell me why we can write in this form. This is a polynomial. Tell me for what reason this will be a polynomial. Here, if there is a negative power, we need to do reciprocal. This we need to write it as x square plus x. This goes upside to the power 1. So I have not written 1. This is only x square plus x. So this is a polynomial and this is not a polynomial. So be careful that variable power should be negative should not be negative in a numerator, but in case it can be negative in a denominator. Next point, degree should not be 0. If degree is 0, then it will be a constant term. For a constant term, it won't be a polynomial. It is though it's called a constant polynomial, but we don't consider it to be a polynomial. So degree should not be 0. So that's all with the introduction video. Let's move on to the sum in the other. Thank you.